Welcome to TrueLoo's installation video. This video will provide step-by-step instructions on how to install your new TrueLoo device. Step 1. Remove the existing toilet seat. Using hand tools, such as a Phillips flathead screwdriver, remove the existing toilet seat. Open the bolt caps by prying upwards on them with either your fingers or the flathead screwdriver. Unscrew the two screws at the top of the seat using the flathead screwdriver or a cordless drill. Pull off the old toilet seat. You may need to use the pliers to hold onto the nut at the bottom of the seat screw to prevent it from spinning. Step 2. Set up your installation kit. In the installation kit provided by Toy Labs, you will see 2 attachment screws in rubber sections, 1 mounting attachment plate, and 2 attachment guides or metal brackets that will be placed onto the screws. Open the installation kit and push the rubber section of the attachment screws through the holes in the toilet bowl, with it pushed all the way through the slot until the rubber is flat against the bowl. Place the mounting attachment plate on top of the toilet with the rubber side down and arrow visible on top, with the arrow pointing toward the tank or the wall. The attachment plate should be approximately 17 inches from the front rim of the elongated toilet bowl. Properly place the attachment guides or metal brackets onto the screws and tighten the attachment screws using the screwdriver. Step 3. Sliding on your TrueLoo. Slide the TrueLoo onto the mounting attachment plate until an audible click indicates that it is securely in place. Test this by gently pulling the TrueLoo away from the toilet tank to confirm that the attachment is secure. The TrueLoo should interlock with the mounting attachment plate. The attachment plate and attachment guides are designed to be adjustable left and right and front to back to allow you to fine-tune the fit of your TrueLoo to your toilet bowl. If you'd like to adjust the TrueLoo to your toilet, remove the TrueLoo by pushing the button at the side. Remove your TrueLoo and loosen the attachment screws far enough to allow you to make these adjustments. Step 4. Plugging in your TrueLoo. Plug the power adapter into the wall outlet close to the TrueLoo. After plugging in the TrueLoo, the logo light will illuminate and the unit will shine a bright light into the bowl, after which the guest LED button should be solidly illuminated. This signals that the TrueLoo is connected to Wi-Fi and is functioning properly. If the guest button LED is blinking, this is a sign that there is an internet connectivity issue or another issue, in which case you should contact Toy Labs for further troubleshooting of your device. Step 5. Register your TrueLoo. On the rear of the unit, there is a 2-word name for the TrueLoo toilet seat. Note this down with the associated room number that it was installed in. Email the TrueLoo toilet seat name along with the room that it was installed in to clinical@toylabs.com. Thank you for listening to TrueLoo's installation video. If you have any further questions, please contact Toy Labs at the number provided in your installation package.